I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on push notifications. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, come here to follow with collections here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean follow with collections notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.